Taking a look at stock ticker symbol ANDI. Well, I took a look at this one on Saturday. We'll talk about that here in a second. I want to show you guys a 30-minute chart. Each one of these candles do represent 30 minutes. I normally always go through the daily. But at this point, I do want to pay attention to what we see here. On the 30-minute chart, it does appear that you guys are going to have a little bit of a support level over here around that 2. It looks like around that 2022. There we go. Actually, it's going to be a little bit higher than that. Over around, looks like about that 2.7. Okay, so this is going to be based on some trading action back on January 29th. Are going to be those levels that we're watching. But as of right now, we need to see that 0.0237 hold. That's going to be the 10-day simple moving average, which is currently on the daily. All right, if that does not hold, the next major level of support is going to be down here around the 0.2. Now you're at 0.240. You might think that's a long, far way off, but just think about this. You guys were just trading up here at the 0.3, even as high as 0.389, and looking at how far it did pull back. Now, if we jump over here to the daily, there's a few things that we need to pay attention to here. This is why I have that 0.237. That's going to be on the 10-day simple moving average. You guys are slightly below it. It's normal. You guys could see that. But as far as the close goes, I don't want to see any closes too far below that. Otherwise, it could continue to pull back. And your next major levels of support and resistance are going to be based off the daily. And the 30-minute chart's going to help you out a little bit, but I think that the daily is going to give you the bigger picture here instead of just a few hours of trading. So right now 0.237, that's going to be a support level as of right now. 0.2 a follow up, 0.150 below that. Your resistance level 0.250. You guys break through that, that would indicate that this one's ready to start making its way back up. So we're going to be watching for a bounce off of either between a big level, big spread, 0.237 down to the 20-day simple moving average at 0.160. That's where you guys are currently big support there at that 20-day. Overall, what a beautiful move here you guys made up, especially getting through that 0.2. If you guys break through that 0.3 rather, could break out again from there. And I went over this one on Saturday, and I said resistance at 0.3, 0.318, and 0.350. Support at 0.275, 0.250, and 0.225. Watch for the bounce here, 0.275, 0.275 to 0.225. So I said that on Saturday. That's going to be before we even seen this action. You guys actually were way above there, and I said right then and there on Saturday to watch for that bounce, and it looks like it's forming up for that bounce at some point here. 0.235 is where you guys are currently at. Resistance levels that we're going to watch, 0.250, and that's going to follow up with that 0.280 and then 0.3. Support 0.237. I'm going to put that in here just because of the fact that right now it is fluctuating, and you guys can obviously close above that 0.237 still. 0.2 and then 0.150. $0.237. I'm going to put that in there perfectly. Watch for the bounce 0.237, 10-day simple moving average. If not, could tap the 20-day simple moving average down there quite a bit at 0.160. Could walk down there and then get that bounce off of there. But right now, let's watch this thing and to hold that 10-day simple moving average. It does hold a 10-day simple moving average here in the past. This is why it's very possible that we could get that bounce off this level. Again, for ANDI, if you guys follow the stock, I definitely encourage you to join investorshangout.com. If you follow this one and you track this stock, if you're invested in it, you're going to have all of the data tools that you're going to need on investorshangout.com completely free, including unlimited posts and messages from user to user, unlimited time and sales data, unlimited news, unlimited filings and financials, not only for ANDI, but for all other stocks completely free on investorshangout.com.